Laserstar mold repair system. It has a powerful neodymium yog laser in it, and it is also included with a recirculation water chiller. Only DI water is to be used, and which is to be filled. There's a DI water tank which is to be filled slightly above the minimum water level as indicated in the user's manual. The system is controlled from this touchpad screen. On power off, the system will boot up, and it takes about a few minutes before the OK turns green here. And on the touch screen, the laser parameters can be varied, such as voltage, pulse width, and it can be either pulse duration, it can be the burst mode or hertz, which can be selected. And also the diameter can be changed from as low as 0.2 millimeters up to, we can go as high as 2 millimeters with the current setup in this machine. And there are different modes of lasers here, the basic mode and the ramp up mode and ramp down and spike mode, etc. Also, there's a microprocessor controlled system in this machine. It can be programmed for different recipes by selecting the memory location here. We can store the parameters and save them, and then we can retrieve them or recall them whenever we want to change the type of material. So the parameters should be selected depending on the type of material we are trying to weld, as recommended by the manufacturer. And the system involves high voltages, and there could be sparks coming out during welding. And even though there are two inert gas hoses here, which I am right now enabling by pressing the foot pedal switch slightly down. And the foot pedal switch is a dual switch, and pressing it harder all the way down will turn on the laser. There is a stereo microscope on this system. A port exists to connect the CCD camera to that. Also the joystick. It's a multi-axis joystick for moving the table Z up and down, or the rail up and down. And then this is for the Y-axis movement. And also there's a red knob on the back by which we can turn on the laser for a pulse. And the joystick can be tilted to the left to right for X-axis movement, and forward and backward for a Y-axis movement. And there's a knob here at the bottom of the stage. All the way counterclockwise is for slow, very slow speed, and all the way clockwise is high speed. I have just connected an exhaust here just to eliminate the exhaust fumes coming from this job here. And this is just a sample for demonstration purpose. I'm using a 1/8 inch thick aluminum plate to weld, and right now it is aligned to weld over the seam here, and it's only for demonstration purpose, and it is only going to be a 0.65 millimeter diameter weld here. So I'm going to start it right now. So the the optics in the head here includes a IR UV filter, so if people want to see while the welding job is taking place, can view through the eyepieces here. And then there's a shutter here. We can close the shutter if you don't want to use. And it's a focusing lens is for both the laser as well as the viewing. So once the laser, the view video is focused through your microscope here, the laser will be focused at the job as well. And there is a protective glass at the bottom that protects from the splashes and any scattered radiations. So right now I'm closing the opening this closed safety shutter. I'm opening it, and then I'm going to turn on the laser with my foot pedal switch. So right now the inert gas is on, and I press it down. While I'm pressing it down, I'm also moving the stage in the y-axis direction. So right now it is welding. Going on the same weld again one more time in the up direction. This video is only for demonstration purpose. Okay, can you focus it to that? Hang on, let me. That's it. So this is the DI water reservoir, and there's a minimum level and the maximum level. The water should be filled up to this level. The system will be totally drained. All the water lines will be drained before shipping, so that the water lines are not damaged due to freezing of DI water in the cold weather. And these filters need to be cleaned. There are two side panels, and there are filters on them, dust filters. They need to be cleaned periodically.